It was around 2015. My mom called and said, Dad can't move his arm. And I immediately thought stroke. And he had this hemiplegia, or the inability to move his arm, and he slowly gained some function, but it wasn't much. It wasn't meaningful. And being a hand surgeon, I would focus on his arm and what he couldn't do. Inevitably, I had questions. Well, why can't we do it better? Historically, we just treated the innocent bystander, which was the muscle. But the main problem was a nerve problem. And it took a lot of innovation in the past decade or so. And we do fairly intricate nerve surgery, which is on the forefront of what's possible in this area of hand surgery. I was speaking with our motion lab and I said, hey, I have this idea about using the lab and something called electromyography. So that's real time linking the way that the arm moves and then seeing how electrically muscles are firing to help us see if we can get a better snapshot so that we can properly plan and individualize the surgery.
This is the only way you can get that information, is to do this type of analysis. It's a unique collaboration between a surgeon and a scientist.
It was a long road, but we just continued to evolve our protocol, which has become one of the standards across the world. I feel like this was fate for me and this practice that we've built, and that is where we started innovating in different areas of surgeries that we can do for patients like my father. And it was almost 8 years before my father had surgery. So during that time, we developed this practice, innovated in this area. He was my inspiration. In the past, I would say, well, if you were my father, I would do this. Now I can say, I believe in this, and I know it will work. I know it'll help you. When patients come and they've had a brain or spinal cord injury for years, decades, and they find out about what we do here at Mayo, and we say, I think there's hope. It's just amazing, it's palpable. And I think from a clinician standpoint, I could not do what I do here currently anywhere else. This dream of being able to fish with my father and my children, that's become a reality. And the joy that I see in him, with my kids, and certainly in my heart, it's been a fire that helps me come every day to see these patients from around the world to see if we can help them in a similar way.